Hi, Math 10 online students. I just wanted to give you a quick video tour of our class. So when you go to Canvas and open up our course, you're going to come here to our home page. You'll see a picture of your textbook. There's some information here about how to contact me, a link to my email, a link to the course syllabus, and also right here it says to begin the course, go to modules. So you can either click right here or you can click on the modules on the left-hand navigation bar on Canvas. Either way, it'll take you into the course. The first module I have is just getting started. So you're going to see some information on just the things you might need to start off with. So the first one is this class for you? If you've never taken an online class, you might want to check out the information in there. Here's something on how to get your course materials, the class schedule, just some things you need to get started. And then after that, the course is oriented by week. So for example, here's week 1, January 29th to February 4th. Here are the assignments that are due, and here's some class notes to help you with your assignments. Week 2, some class notes, and then an assignment. Similarly for the rest of the class. So there's 15 weeks in our semester, and each week you're going to see the information organized on Canvas for you. As we get closer to our first test, you'll see that there's also going to be some materials to help you get ready for that test, but I'll talk a little bit more about that when the test gets closer. So let's take a look at some of these things that you might find useful. A class schedule. So if you click here, I have a document that lays out the class week by week. Now it's already laid out in Canvas for you this way, but for those of you who like to see it in one document, I've also provided for you there. Let's see what else is in that first module that you might need. This is important on how to get your course materials. And so if you click here, your course materials are available through Pearson. We're using my Stat Lab. And so this gives you a little bit of instruction. And here's a video on how to register. When you go to register, really all you need to do is click right here where it says My Lab and Mastering. It'll take you to the Pearson site where you can buy the site license to use our textbook, to use StatCrunch, which is some software that we'll be using this semester to analyze data, as well as all the materials for your class. I would demonstrate it for you right now, but when I click here, I would see my Pearson account, which would look different than yours. So it's really better if you've never done this before, just to watch this video I've posted, because that will be more similar to your experience. Okay, let's see what else is maybe important in the modules to get you started. We're going to be using StatCrunch in our class instead of a calculator. I'm trying to give you some experience using a more up-to-date technology. So we're going to be using a web-based software program, which actually is much easier to use than a calculator, called StatCrunch. So here's a thing on how to sign up for our StatCrunch group. And StatCrunch comes free with your textbook materials. So it's all included in the one price that you pay for your materials. Each week, I'm going to be posting announcements. If I clicked here on the announcements, it's not active right now because I haven't posted an announcement yet, but I'll try to post an announcement every week saying hello, checking in on you, making sure you know what's coming up during the week. So watch for some announcements weekly. And otherwise, I think that should be all you need to get started. If you forget any of this and you need to contact me, don't hesitate to always reach out. You can either drop by if you happen to be on campus, anytime is fine, or here's my official hours if you want. You can always just send me an email as well. So I'm looking forward to meeting you all and working with you this semester. Oops. Which we're going to be starting tomorrow, January 29th. Hi, Math 10 students. I wanted to give you an online tour of the class just to kind of orient you to how our class is set up. So when you log into Canvas, you're going to land on our class homepage. It has a picture of your textbook, has some information here. And then when you want want to enter the class, you just click right down here. It says to begin the course, go to modules. So if you just click here, then it should open up your modules link. So the modules are divided into weeks. There's a module here called Getting Started, which just has some information that you might want to check out. Is this class for you? If you've never taken an online class, you might want to stop by there and see if you're going to be comfortable in an online environment. Here's a tab on how to get your course materials, the class schedule, things like that. So just the nuts and bolts kind of getting started things that you'll need to know. And then after that, the course is organized by week. So here's week 1, which we're going to be starting tomorrow, January 29th. You can see your assignments for the week are here and class notes. And then it just goes like that for the rest of the semester. Week 2, some class notes and an assignment. Week 3, some class notes, some assignments. And then as we get closer to our first exam, you'll notice that there's some materials here that I've provided to help you get ready. So that's just kind of the organization of the course. It's pretty easy to navigate, hopefully. When you want to do your My Math Lab, My Stat Lab homework, you just click right here and your homework will open up right inside our Canvas course. As always, if you have any questions, you can always just let me know, either by email or however you'd like to reach out to me is fine. I'm pretty good about getting back to you as soon as I can, but that's just a quick orientation to the setup of our course. Please let me know if you have any questions, but I look forward to working with you this semester. Hi Math 10 students. I wanted to give you an online